think your ice machine might be broken.
What?
Right to this guy over there.
Excuse me. The ice machine's broken?
Momo, what you doing? You're doing a circle. You're doing a circle. Come get Bubby. Come get Bubby.
Okay, just make her laugh. Can you?
Macy, come get Bubby. Look. Yay, Macy got it. Yay, Momo did it. Yay, I did it. I got it. I get to play with Bubby. Macy? Momo. Did you get it? Did you get it? You did it. Yay.
Come put your clothes on so you can be red with me and Macy.